Welcome! Today we're going to clear the jam inside front error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remove the paper tray. Locate the green levers on either side of the paper cavity and slide them towards the front of the machine to release the plastic flap at the top. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Raise the scanner cover to reveal the platen area. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Being careful not to touch the encoder strip, remove any paper scraps. Insert the paper tray back into the machine and plug the machine back into the outlet. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.